What's up guys, today's we'll take a look at top 5 best Blender 2022 that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research. If you would like more information about these products and their latest prices, check out the description below. Don't forget to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, let's get started with the video. Number 5. This well-priced and high-powered blender comes with 3 jars, a 64-ounce pitcher for large batches, and 2 different personal-sized cups, 32 ounces and 24 ounces with a handle. Both cups have lids that make it easy to take your smoothie to go. It features an extract button that blends smoothies in pre-programmed variable speeds. We blended kale smoothies in all 3 jars, all were uniformly smooth with no flecks. It also blasted through frozen strawberries effortlessly to make a delicious, evenly processed daiquiri. The base is not much larger than previous NutriBullet bases, and it has suction cups on the bottom that reliably prevent it from shifting around. Just remember to unscrew the personal blending cups from the base instead of the blade mounts. It's easy to accidentally make a mess. Number 4. Footy Power Blender and Processor System can tackle a smoothie bowl with ease, but it also features a unique dough blade attachment that allows you to make cookie dough, brownie batter or pizza dough. This system reduces the amount of kitchen equipment you will need to be a great home baker. In our tests, the blender produced smooth and creamy soups and milkshakes. We love that there are super strong suction cups on the base to ensure that it doesn't move while blending. The jars, blades and lids are dishwasher safe. One element of the blender's design did make us a little nervous. The blade does not lock into the base, which caused it to fall out when the jar was upside down. Use caution and remove the blade attachment before cleaning. Number 3. It's a cult fave for a reason. Short of cleaning your kitchen, there's nothing the showpiece Vitamix can't do. With pro-quality precision and control, it can make everything from perfectly smooth nut butters to creamy soups and more. The ultra-powerful motor has 10 variable speed settings, and its heavy-duty base won't easily shift on the counter when in use. The controls are intuitive and fuss-free, and this machine excelled in every one of our kitchen appliances lab tests, easily grinding coffee beans and whirling up milkshakes and margs in seconds. It's an investment, but you won't find a better performing, more durable pick, and it's a fraction of the cost of other Vitamix models. One note is that the carafe is on the small side at just 6 cups. Number 2. Gourmet Pro Performance Blender stood out to us in many ways with its sleek design, featuring its signature reed knob and lightweight jar with a comfortable handle. There are 10 speed settings on the blender and 4 pre-programmed options: soup, puree, ice crush and smoothie. This blender produced a very smooth, thick milkshake and a smoothie that was creamy and homogeneous. In our tests, this super powerful blender also produced great frozen drinks. The unique emulsion cap allows you to add oil to the blender at an optimal pace to get a great emulsion in sauces and dressings. This pick is also sized to fit under most cabinets. The blender jar is hand wash only. Number 1. The Vitamix brand has a strong following, and we were impressed too. This blender performed exceptionally well at grinding coffee beans and blending milkshakes and smoothies. It has a 64-ounce jar, one of the largest we evaluated, which means it's perfect for big batches. We found the touchscreen controls easy to use, the jar fits in the base nicely, the handle is comfortable to grip and the lid comes on and off effortlessly. The jar is not dishwasher safe, but the lid and tamper are. You can purchase additional attachments like the food processor and personal blending cup. The attachments use self-detect technology, which allows the blender to know precisely which container is on the base and adjust blending settings accordingly. The Ascent can also connect to an app on your phone wirelessly. The app provides 17 programs to make smoothies, baby food, nut butters as well as to grind, chop, froth and clean. It comes with an impressive 10-year standard warranty. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please don't forget to like, comments, and be sure to subscribe to get more reviews. Hope to see you guys in the next video.